Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review AIdent, which is an AI based automation software. From here you can automate Slack, Twitter, Shopify and all the things, and you have the skills to reuse. And AIdent AI is going to help you a lot in automation of your tasks, and the use cases are simple. You can just enhance the SEO of your website, you can summarize anything, and a lot of cool features are available here. So without wasting our time, now let us get started. To get started, at first click on the start now button and log in using your user ID and password, or you can simply sign in with your Google account. So this is the central dashboard of Ident AI. You can see the UI is simple and user friendly. You have to describe your job and automation here to get started, or you can input your prompt here. So this is how it works, and let me enter a prompt. But before entering the prompt, I will just give you get started in 2 minutes. You can just open the docs and you can see quick starting guide, and all the documentation is available here for your. You have all the introduction, for example, what is ident AI. You can see get started, the change log, and everything is available here. And then it is simply just like uh, working with chat gpt. You can just get a basic prompt from chat gpt also, then you can make a workflow, or you can simply hit a prompt, for example, of basic automation, like weather forecasting. So for example, I will just hit weather. Now it is rolling a new playbook, and the new playbook is thinking, and you can see, we will see the output, what output it is going to give us. So it is giving answer. For example, for weather forecast, it will query the capabilities, and just it will scrape different websites which shows weather, and this is the input query, uh, and this is the input, and it is still working. So for weather forecasting, it is going to visit the weather uh, forecasting websites and giving me all the details of the weather forecast. For example, it will just collaborate data for a few years and then give me accurate forecasting of weather. So it is working on that, and it is like regression, correlation, and simple mathematical model. For example, it will analyze the data of this particular place over years, and upon the analysis of the data over the years and today's input, it will forecast the weather for tomorrow. For example, what should the weather forecast workflow do? So look up forecast on demand, send a daily forecast summary, alert me about severe weather. So send a daily forecast summary and then submit. So I am just going to make a workflow which is going to give me daily weather forecast. So it is writing everything. For example, it is creating a model, and that model will just scrape data from weather forecasting website. For example, how should the daily forecast be delivered? So email me the summary is good. Click on submit button. So it is basically working on the integration setup. It will create a mode and ensure that it has the capability to read details for recommendation, integration, and capabilities. So this is working quite well and quite fast. So you can see it will get the geo code of particular location using this particular code, and then it will just scrape the weather of this location and then make a model, mathematical model, regression correlation model, and with the help of that regression correlation model, it will forecast the weather. So it says it starts a run test now. Yes, let us start a run test, and it is working. So you have to enter the location and recipient email. So Kathmandu, and write one email. For example, this is another email. Click on continue button. So you have to just give the location and recipient email, and the weather will be forecasted for that particular place, and email will be sent automatically. So you can see it is running, and you can see how this AI work. This is basically going to transform everything. It is coding, changing the code, evolving the code, looking in different websites, mutating itself. So we have to do two things at first. Open the weather API and then connect Gmail. So at first open the weather API. So click on connect button, and it will just connect a API. So you have to hit open weather API key. So you have to get this API key from open weather, and then you can use it, and then you would have to connect your email, and after connecting Gmail and open weather API, this will be start working. So this is how simple uh, a simple automation for weather forecasting work. So let us take a look at some basic features. Like, this is the home. In home, you can describe a job or your prompt, and it will just make that workflow. Then you have this dashboard. In the central dashboard, you can see all the working workflows, and you can search, since if you have a lot of workflows, you will be confused. And then you have the capabilities, and in the capabilities you can see integrations and actions. uh, you can see all these things are ready for integration. You can see a lot of options for integration are available. GitHub, HubSpot, Airtable, ClickUp, Discord, Zoom, Microsoft Outlook tool, Mailchimp, Gender, LinkedIn, Instagram, Calendly, Apply, Abstract, and lot of things are available. Amazon. Uh, I am I am confused. These are uncountable number of integration are available. So capabilities in the depth, and in the connections you can see connections. For example, your server endpoint email, the installation, and everything is available here. So this is how it works. Let me just give you another example. For example, uh, uh, scraping a website. So scrape Amazon dot in website. So let us see how it does this. If you have to scrape a website manually, then you should be knowing Python, and you should get some coding, and it will take some time. But here you just have to give the input, and it will do all the work for you. So it says it is going to create a mode for user request to scrape Amazon.in, and it is working on that particular thing. So what type of workflow you want to scrape from Amazon? So specific product pages or search result pages or category bestseller pages, a mix of pages. So I want to scrape category or bestseller pages. Click on next button. What information should I extract? Title, price, rating, and product URL. So this is good, and it is thinking now. So this is the code for scraping the particular website. So you can start a run test now. Click on yes. And in the integration, you have this fire crawl. So fire crawl is integrated, and fire crawl is a spider which is going to help you to scrape websites. So you have to uh, give the URL of the category or best seller page URL. So give, and you can see the example is also given. So this is going to help you me a lot. Amazon dot in. So this is the best sellers, and just copy the email of best sellers and then paste it here. Then click on continue button. Now you can see fire crawl is just scrolling the website and gathering all the information from the website page. So the URL is not working, so I have to upload another URL. So just click on other and say use another URL. So just give a simple URL, not this much. Simple website URL. We'll see simple URL. So it is asking for a specific page URL. So I'm giving a specific page URL. And now you can see some results are already available here, and it has extracted. So this is the products.json file. You can uh, just view this particular document. So this is the list of all the items. So you can just download it, and this is how the automation works. So now let us take a look at the pricing plan of AIdent AI. You can see they are running a 50% discount. Their pricing plan is divided into tiered plan, 5 tier pricing plan. The first is free to explore the basic features. Then the basic is going to cost $6 per month, and it is going to give 2,000 credits per month. And the pro plan is going to cost $18 per month and going to give you 6,000 credits per month, and the max plan is going to give you 20,000 credits per month with $60 per month. And if you are a big company and your demands are increasing, you can choose this enterprise and it will be a custom pricing for you. So thank you very much for watching this video.